Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about how you could possibly gain weight on consuming just salad. Let's say you're doing the keto plan, you're doing one meal a day, and you're basically having just a salad, but you're having a lot of it. And all of a sudden you gain 2 pounds. How can that be? Is that actually fat? Well, not really. Now, it could be hidden carbs in the croutons, the salad dressing, or the dried fruit. But if you're on my program, chances are these are not the problem, okay? What is the problem? Well, first of all, a lot of people are not used to consuming large quantities of lettuce or salad. So they don't have the microbes, which means they're not going to have the enzymes to digest those foods. So they're going to have a hard time digesting. Now, in these salads, you have insoluble fibers, which act as roughage, and insoluble fibers, which basically ferment, and your microbes can consume those as their meal. But the soluble fibers absorb a lot of water, okay? So they're like a sponge. And so here you are, you drink some water and it doesn't come out. It kind of gets stuck in there. And because you're not able to digest all this, your whole digestive system slows down and you feel full, you're bloated, and you're retaining water. That's why you gain 2 pounds. So in the meantime, what can you do? Well, you could steam your vegetables, which will allow these fibers to break down a little bit more, making it easier to digest them, and also switch the type of vegetables that you're consuming. Try doing squash, or cauliflower, steamed cauliflower, or some broccoli, or asparagus, which all of these mainly are steamed anyways. These will help you and take the stress off the microbes as you're building up the micro-flora to be able to digest the quantities of vegetables that you need. So try this out and let me know how it works. So if you're enjoying these videos, click share and spread the word.